Install MariaDB. Yes. MariaDB server. Finish. MariaDB start. MariaDB. Okay. Next, enable MariaDB. Enable. Before use MariaDB, initialize first for security. Enter current password. Just enter. Set root password. Yes. New password. Re-enter. Remove anonymous users. Yes, remove. Disallow root login remotely. Yes, disallow. Remove test database and access to it. Yes, remove. Reload privilege tables now. Yes. Finish initialization. Add MariaDB database to firewall. Allowed list. Permanent. Add service. MariaDB. Yes, success. And reload firewall. Success. Okay. Log in MariaDB. Root. Password. Yes. Help to check MariaDB command. Show MariaDB database. Semicolon. Okay. Change password of database. Password. For example, Pony Linux Pony. New password. Exist. Log in again. I type old password. Denied. I type a new password. Linux Pony. Yes. Create a database. Name Linux Pony. Show the new created database. Linux Pony. Choose this database. Use Linux Pony. Database change. Create a table. The table name. Books. So the book name. Set char 15. Price. Set int. Pages int. Okay, I can check the table information. Name, price, pages. Insert the data to this table. Insert into books. Name, price, pages. Values. Name, call Linux Pony. Price, 50. Pages, 600. Okay, select to see the data we added from books. Update books. Set price equal 59. Okay, going to check. Select name, price from books. Price change. Delete data from tables. Check again. Select from books. empty. All been deleted. Delete database. Drop database Linux pony. Okay. Show database deleted.